Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on new challenges and adventures. Take a look at this 2018 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT Z71 in Silver Ice Metallic. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, electronic stability control, tow package, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 39,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen display, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, folding rear seats, 5.3-liter V8 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stop number 6205A.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.